Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Roblox Error Code 403 on Windows PC. Let's fix it guys. Open up Chrome and search Geek Uninstaller and select this download option under geekuninstaller.com and select this zip file and download it. After getting download done, select this folder icon to open up this and double click on the Geek Uninstaller, double click on the application and select yes. Now search Roblox. Right click on the Roblox player and select force removal and select yes. This will scan for leftover files guys. Select the finish option to delete all the leftover files because the problem in the leftover files guys. After getting done, just to close stuff here and open up new tab and search Roblox download. Select the first link. Select the download Windows app option and select the Roblox and install it. And now you can play the Roblox without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. You may like and subscribe. Thank you.